Okay, let's talk about some of the news that are happening within the crypto space. Yesterday, I brought you the news that North Korea, that Telegram is launching an ICO. It's a $500 million ICO. Then Kodak is also launched an ICO. But the news that is going on now is that North Korea is actually receiving Bitcoin through a bug that is in Monero mining software. So it's one of the things that you want to really pay attention to in crypto, like from hardware to software to even you yourself. You want to be very, very careful with your best practices. If you've not seen my video on cryptocurrency best practices, you want to check how you can protect yourself from the software side to the hardware side to even the physical world, because we don't really know how long it's going to take for it's possible for humans to transit from paper, which is fiat money, to digital money. It may take a long time, or it may take a short time, but we don't really know. But since these things are considered to be a form of value, that have a certain form of value, you want to really protect yourself in this space. And then the news is that Cardano is being used to prove students' certificates, diplomas in Greek. Cardano is one of the project that extensive research was actually put into the Cardano project. It's not the best project out there, but it's one of the best projects out there. You have to admit that. And then the state of Florida says they will legally recognize blockchain signatures in a smart contract. So meaning they were saying anything that smart contract, they will be legally recognizing such stuff. And then I brought to your notice in some of my previous video, I brought to your notice Agrelo. So Agrelo is something you want to pay attention to in the upcoming days. The price is still relatively cheap. You want to pay attention to Agrelo. Agrelo has to do with the smart contract and then bringing law into the crypto space. You want to pay attention to a platform like Agrelo. Okay. So, moving on with cryptocurrencies, let's see some of the ICOs that are actually going on in the crypto space. And I covered WePower, I think months ago, and I told you everything that WePower is seeking to do. If you've not seen that video, you should check the video. So the ICO is going to start in 21 days time. Why I actually like this ICO is because I like platforms that stay around for like a minimum of 2 months. Everybody can, even though there may not be a lot of talk about them, you can study, you can put something in your journal, you can see what this project is all about. So 2 months ago I talked about it. You can check that video up about WePower. Covered everything that WePower wants to do. And looking onto the cryptocurrency market has been experiencing some fluctuations. One of the things you have to know is that it is the people that determines the market. So the more and more people are being onboarded, the more and more, and the more they buy and the rest of them, the more the tokens will be increasing, and the more people start pulling off. People trade a lot, right? You can see Ripple was around $100 and something billion, but it's retracting now. But with crypto, let's see what crypto will look like in the upcoming days. Some of the coins, like I think you should be waiting for the dips. Once the price is dropping, that is the time you want to really buy. So once the price is dropping, that is when you want to really come into the space. Like, and let's say some of the coins that we added to the, okay, you have Fair Game, Token Club, Stemium, Show, Hacking. I covered hacking in the ICO. It's something you really want to check. It's like exploding. And then which other project again? Okay, there are many coinlines and awesome. So you want to check some of these platforms before they actually explode. And then you have Loopring. Loopring is a very good platform. Yeah. Everything I say in my videos is just my personal opinion. I think a lot of people ask me, okay, there are two questions, there are two things people want from me, Muslims, is which one should I buy? I'm like, no, I can't tell you which one to buy. I can't tell you which one to buy. I try as much as possible to educate you, tell you everything you need to know about the space, and then you can make very intelligent decision on if you are to actually get in. There is no time that it's too late to get into crypto. So guys, do have a very, very good one.